Hello guys, today I have got the VIVO X300 FE and I'm going to show you how to fix the charging not working. So, at first you need to check the basics. What are the basics? Try a different wall socket at first. Remove and replug the cable to both phone and charger firmly. And of course restart the phone. And how to actually do that? You need to here hit power, volume up, and restart like this. Now everything should be working fine. If it still does not work fine, you need to inspect the cable and charger. Most charging actually issues come from accessories, so at first try to use the original VIVO charger. Test another USB Type-C cable. Look for any bends on your cable or, this metal part of the port. And look for dirt and damage, both in the cables itself and in the charging port. Over here. If you have here any debris, clean this port. Dust is a very, very common cause. So carefully clean this port with soft brush or dry toothbrush and gentle air blow. Avoid metal objects because you may delete. Yes, you may damage the port. Apart from that, check for the overheating. I actually recorded the video about overheating, so you can check that out. But TLDR, if the phone is hot, unplug it from your power, let it cool for 10, 20, even 30 minutes, and then try again. Try to remove any case from your phone and accessories. Some actually fake cases can block the plug from fully connecting. And when I had some previous case actually on my device, private device actually, I did have this fake case and I couldn't actually charge my device. And yeah, so we need to check that out. Apart from that, check if you have any loose ends on your port. As you can see, wait a moment, I can show on my private device because I'm facing this problem right now. If you have any problems with your charging port like this, if you plug your cable and it can easily fall out like this, or it can, your phone just can unplug from the cable like by its own, you need to repair your charging port. I don't have the money for that right now, but if you do have your money for your charging port, you need to do it. Apart from that, check for any software issues. Open settings. Here scroll all the way down and open system update. Install the latest updates and also restart your phone after the update. Sometimes the hotfix can be released for everything. And that should be it. Apart from that, you may have some possible hardware issue. Like I told you, this loosens, port damage, battery fault or charging IC issue. And then you need to just contact the device support itself. Goodbye!